Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by tracing where the ants travel and why they come inside. Once you find a trail, mark entry points and nest openings. This guides placement. Make sure to remove food and clean surfaces so bait attracts them instead of crumbs. Use raid ant bait stations near trails, not on countertops. That lets workers carry poison back to the colony. You do this now to create a bait path, faster control, and why it works. You target the colony, not just stray workers. Once bait is placed, observe how ants interact. You want workers to find and feed for hours. Position stations 1-2 inches from the trail and close to baseboards under sinks and by door thresholds. Make sure to stop using competing insect sprays or strong cleaners. Those mask or repel the bait. Monitor daily. You should see steady traffic to the bait. If activity drops suddenly, move bait slightly closer to recent trails. Persistence matters, because the poison must reach the queen and brood. You finish by maintaining bait stations until all foraging stops. Typically this takes 1 to 3 weeks. Once trails cease, remove empty stations and continue inspecting monthly to catch reinfestation early. If there is no reduction after 7 days, move the bait closer to active trails, change station orientation, or switch to a different raid ant formula. Different active ingredients work against different species. And if kids or pets access bait, immediately relocate to safer spots. That prevents accidental exposure while you complete control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.